As you begin to navigate the college financial aid process, one of the things that you'll learn very quickly is that you'll need to complete the FAFSA application. The FAFSA application is a document that you will complete with both student and parent information in the senior year of high school. The most important data elements that you'll be using to complete the FAFSA is information from your IRS federal income tax returns. So it's important to keep copies of those documents, and if you're inclined to do so, request a copy of such tax return filings each year from the IRS through the IRS website and ask for a copy of your IRS tax transcripts. It's never a bad idea to know what the federal government is recording when you file your tax returns each year. Anyways, to get back to point in completing the FAFSA, when you complete the FAFSA in your son or daughter's senior year, you'll be using the tax return from the prior year. For example, if your son or daughter is currently a senior in high school and it's the spring term of 2019, you're completing the 1920 FAFSA and using the 2017 tax returns. This is called prior year. There was a change made about 5 years ago where the federal government asked families to complete the FAFSA with a tax return that they hadn't even completed yet, and it was absolutely crazy. So this is one of the good steps that our federal government has made to simplify the financial aid process. So when it comes to financial aid planning and financial planning and making the most of your income and assets and your investments, you'll need to get a jump start on this process sooner. So make sure that you're working with your financial planner, your tax preparer, whoever it is that you're working for tax guidance and investment guidance, because when you complete the FAFSA in your son or daughter's senior year, you will have to have planned 2 years prior. It's not something you need to worry about technically, because it's something that will come and will go in your son or daughter's senior year, but it's never too late to start thinking about this process, nor is it too early. Again, the conversation is about prior year, noticing and taking note of the fact that when you complete the FAFSA, it will be 2 years prior year. So if you have any questions about tax filing or how to complete your tax returns, please work with a tax professional, and I know that there are several resources available online. Financial preparation is an important part of the college financial process. I'm looking forward to working with you and your family to support you in the college search and selection process in the hopes that you'll be making a college selection based on financial fit. My name is Catherine Graham. I'm the founder of the Financial Aid Shop. Remember, no matter where your son or daughter goes to school, they're going to be great.